Every precision razor blade begins with exceptionally thin stainless steel.
Before production begins, every coil must meet strict material standards.
Precision slitting creates the narrow steel strips required for razor blades. Controlled tension keeps the razor blade material perfectly uniform. A perfectly clean surface prepares the steel for precision processing.
Even microscopic thickness variations can affect a razor blade's performance.
Controlled heat prepares the steel for the demanding life of a razor blade. Careful cooling stabilizes the steel for precision blade production. Only flawless steel moves forward to the next manufacturing stage. The precision steel is ready to begin its journey into the razor factory.
Precision steel is carefully loaded for its journey to the razor factory.
Every reel must remain perfectly protected during transport.
Material tracking ensures every steel reel reaches the correct production line.
The carefully prepared steel now begins its journey to the razor factory.
The raw material moves steadily toward its precision manufacturing destination.
Ahead lies the facility where steel becomes precision razor blades. Controlled entry keeps every stage of razor blade production organized. The precision steel has reached its manufacturing home. Careful handling protects the material before production begins.
The steel is inside the razor factory, ready for its transformation.
Behind these industrial walls, stainless steel becomes precision razor blades. Every worker enters through a controlled route into the razor blade production area. This production floor connects every stage of razor blade manufacturing. Before cutting begins, the steel receives one final incoming inspection. The continuous steel strip is now ready for precision forming. A perfectly flat strip creates the foundation for accurate blade geometry. Controlled lubrication keeps the precision forming process stable. A powerful press transforms the continuous strip into blade blanks. Each blank now moves forward toward its final blade geometry. The razor blade blanks are ready for precision shaping and sorting. Every razor blade blank must be clean before precision finishing begins. Deep cleaning prepares the steel for flawless surface treatment. Controlled drying leaves every blade blank clean and completely dry. Correct orientation keeps every razor blade moving through the line consistently. Precision inspection separates perfect blanks from production defects. Smooth edges are essential before the cutting edge is created. Controlled finishing removes imperfections without changing the blade geometry. Clean material keeps the precision production line running reliably. Only properly formed blanks are allowed into the sharpening process.
The cleaned and sorted blanks are ready for precision edge formation. The cutting edge begins with controlled precision grinding.
Carefully controlled grinding creates the geometry behind a sharp razor edge. A second grinding stage brings the cutting profile closer to perfection. Polishing creates the exceptionally fine surface needed for a razor edge. Every cutting edge must be perfectly clean before final hardening. Controlled heat gives the blade steel the properties it needs for durability. Precise thermal treatment strengthens the stainless steel blade. Controlled cooling stabilizes the steel for its final sharpening stages. Fine honing brings the cutting edge to its final precision. The sharpened blades are now ready for their final performance-enhancing transformation. The finished edge is prepared for its final performance treatment. A perfectly clean surface allows the protective coating to bond uniformly. Controlled drying prepares every edge for advanced finishing.
Precise positioning ensures consistent treatment across every blade.
A microscopic coating helps the razor edge stay smooth and durable.
After coating, every blade is carefully stabilized before inspection. Optical inspection confirms that the protective coating is perfectly uniform. The final finishing pass brings the blade edge to production perfection.
The finished edge is cleaned one final time before leaving production.
The finished blades now enter the factory's most automated inspection systems.
Automation keeps thousands of razor blades moving with remarkable consistency.
Machine vision checks details too small for the human eye.
Only blades meeting every specification continue through the line.
Advanced measurement verifies the precision of every cutting edge.
Every dimension must remain within exact manufacturing limits.
Automated inspection protects the flawless appearance of every blade. Every production batch is counted with exact precision. Precision stacking prepares every blade for final assembly.
The finished blade now approaches its final consumer assembly.
The automated inspection is complete, and final assembly begins.
The finished razor blade meets the components that will hold it in place.
Exact alignment creates the consistent geometry required for every razor cartridge. Controlled assembly locks each razor blade securely into its cartridge. Every blade must remain securely positioned before final finishing. Precision gauges verify the geometry of the finished razor assembly. A final controlled finish prepares each razor assembly for inspection. Clean handling ensures every finished razor reaches inspection in perfect condition. Every finished razor receives a final visual inspection. Controlled testing confirms that every assembly performs as designed. The finished razors now enter their final quality control stage. Before packaging, every razor must pass a final series of precise tests. Microscopic inspection reveals details invisible to the naked eye. Every cutting edge must meet exact geometric specifications. Controlled testing confirms the precision of the finished cutting edge. Durability testing verifies that the blade can maintain its performance. Protecting the steel surface is essential for long-term product quality. The complete cartridge is tested as carefully as the blade itself. Only fully approved razors move toward packaging. Complete records confirm that the production batch meets every requirement. After passing every test, the finished razors are ready for packaging and dispatch. Every finished razor is carefully prepared for its final protective package. Precision packaging protects each razor blade from production floor to customer. A controlled seal keeps every razor securely protected.
Every package receives precise identification before leaving the factory.
Individual razors are grouped into secure shipping cartons.
Every carton is sealed and prepared for secure warehouse storage.
Organized palletizing makes thousands of finished razors ready for distribution. Finished razor blades remain organized and protected until shipment. From the factory floor, finished razors begin their journey to markets around the world. And this is how modern factories produce razor blades from start to finish.